You know, having Dan look into the business from the outside was really just crucial to that, because all of a sudden he made it clear it's not all these separate components, it all comes together in this one kind of visual representation of who I am and what I'm doing. He sort of talked to me about what was possible, and I was able to see that actually having a professional come in and someone who had a huge range of skills, not just expensive equipment, was actually going to really elevate my business. And we've got this great shot now that kind of really represents not the chaos, but the excitement that comes through what I deliver when I do these corporate workshops. And you know, I've been able to use all that content going forward to sell ongoing services and promote my business in different ways to different clients. One of the things I didn't actually expect that came after I posted some of the professional photos that Dan had took was the engagement that it created and the interest that people had all of a sudden with something that I'd spoken about many times before in other posts. And so it was almost like people saw me from a different angle that I hadn't been able to show before. But it was only once, you know, I had the energy that Dan had captured in the photos that people were like, oh wow, that's really, you know, exciting. And I got, you know, lots of inquiries and bookings from that. For me, that's the thing that's got me coming back to Dan, is that actually, you know, from the first time, from the first photos we got, the engagement and the excitement that's generated with my audience and the business that I've created from that has meant that I want to keep coming back, because I know that there's going to be, you know, that same level of magic and that same level of craft that is going to be brought to my audience, and they're going to be able to see what it is that I can do and hopefully engage with that.